G'day, welcome to your dashboards page. Think of this as your portal's live command center, giving you a complete snapshot of your business. Here we've got your attainment records. This is a summary of all records held against your people, equipment, and companies you work with. These numbers are live links, and when clicked, will take you to the attainment page and the corresponding filter. Next, we've got your training needs analysis. This gives you a look at your compliance requirements, showing you exactly what needs attention so you can stay ahead of the game. And finally, we have our people and our equipment cards. These show the current status of all your assets. Just like the attainments record, you can click on the numbers and go directly to those pages. And that's it, the dashboard in a nutshell. A quick glance is all you need to know exactly what's what.